Guys, welcome back to another episode of Weekends Shenanigans. I know it's been a hot little minute since I've done one of these, but I haven't really traveled much, to be honest with you. So this episode is going to be my birthday weekend edition. I am going on a little staycation for my birthday. We're going to Fort Lauderdale Beach, which is about 30 minutes from Miami. So we're gonna spend the weekend out there. So tomorrow a bunch of my friends are gonna come up and we're gonna celebrate and spend the day at the beach and then perhaps go bar hopping at night. So I'm super excited about that. This year we're probably gonna have a lot of weekend shenanigans because I'm traveling quite a few times this year. Next month we are going to Boston, and then the month after that we're going to Vegas. So yeah, it's a pretty big year for traveling, and I don't know what else is gonna transpire towards the end of the year, but yeah, so I have a feeling I'm gonna be doing way more weekend shenanigans. So I'm super excited to bring these back, and I'm super excited because it's my birthday weekend. My whole wardrobe and my whole vibe for this weekend is neon hot pink, so that's why I have my scrunchie. I have my cute little top that says Dreamer on it. I feel super Mariah Carey 90s right now. So yeah, and tomorrow, like, my bathing suit's hot pink. Everything is just, that is my vibe for this weekend, to wear, I guess, hot pink. I'm just doing like a hot pink vibe. We are putting gas right now, and then we are headed out to Fort Lauderdale Beach. So let's go. So we just got to the room. Actually, we've been at the hotel for like an hour, but we went down to eat lunch, and now I just unpacked. But I wanted to show you guys the packing cubes that actually Neutrogena sent them to me, or was it Clean and Clear? They're the same company, I don't know. But they sent me these packing cubes, and they're so freaking convenient, and they've literally changed my life. So this is the one that has all of my makeup in it. I brought a lot of makeup this time. This one has like my intimates, like my pajamas, underwear, shapewear, all of that stuff. And then this one has all of my outfits. And then I had one that just like, it looks like just like a regular bag, and I stuck all of my shoes in it. And I also have one for like all of my toiletries. So what I did was, instead of like unpacking, because I never ever unpack, like when I go on vacation, I just leave everything in my suitcase or a duffel bag or whatever it is that I bring, and then I will just grab stuff as like I need it. But with these packing cubes, I was able to just take everything out and stick it in the drawer, just like within the packing cube. And I think that's just so much easier to like declutter around the room, like not have your suitcase open full of stuff. And that way you're not technically unpacking, because you're not taking every single piece of garment and putting it in a drawer. So I don't know, I did it for the first time today, and I love these packing cubes. So right now we are just hanging out in the room, and we're actually waiting for a massage. Caesar got us a couples massage yeah, for my birthday, so we're waiting on them to arrive. So I'm pretty sure we have to like shower and like get ready for that. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Hi guys, so I'm all glammed up, ready to go. The massage was freaking amazing. I'd never gotten a massage before, so I didn't know what to expect, but it was super bomb. Caesar used the app called Zeel, Z-E-E-L, and I guess it's like an app that brings the massage to you, and it was so good. It was like two girls. They were super, super nice. Like one did Caesar and one did me, and it was just amazing. They made you feel super comfortable, so I highly recommend. They came to our hotel. So right now we're gonna go to dinner. I am all glammed up. Have these cute Bermudas, I don't know if you guys can see, from Target, and then this top is from Discovery. It's like a little store here in Miami or Florida, or I don't even know. I'm sure they have them everywhere, but it's called Discovery, and they kind of have like Fashion Nova-esque things. So yeah, I got this top, and I have these super cute shoes, if you can see. Well, I'm in the bathroom, we can't really see, but I'll tell Caesar to take a video of me walking so you guys can see my whole outfit. But I'm super obsessed. I don't know how I feel with this lipstick right now, just like the color, and like, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me to dinner, so let's go. Good morning, beautiful people. So it's Saturday morning and we just woke up. It's about like 8:30 in the morning. We're gonna get ready and go to breakfast, and a couple of our friends are getting here soon. They're gonna have breakfast with us, and then everybody else is coming probably like around 10, 11. And my best friends are going to be decorating my room and whatnot for my celebration. I know I'm probably not supposed to know that, but we do it for each other like every year, so like I know, and I kind of have to be like out of the room for them to do it. So yeah, we're gonna go to breakfast with another one of our friends and enjoy the day. But I'm super excited for all my friends to get here and just celebrate and have fun with the people that I love. And so far it's been such a great trip. Like yesterday, although we got off to like a late start, we didn't get here till 3. It was still like super awesome with the massage, and we went to dinner, and the dinner was great. We went to like this really nice place called Casa Sensei. It's like a Latin Asian fusion restaurant, but it was by the water. It was really nice. So, and then I was dead tired. Like we got back at like 11 and it was like 11:30 and I couldn't even keep my eyes open. So yeah, I was dead tired. And yeah, so I'm gonna start getting ready. I love the bathing suit that I'm wearing today. I'm like so excited. I got it off of Pretty Little Things. Never shopped there before. I know they're from like the UK, but the shipping was pretty fast. It got to me in a week, and the fit of the bathing suit is amazing. Like I love it so much. So yeah, I'm excited to wear it. So I'm gonna start getting dressed now, and I'll show you guys my final outfit once I'm done. Back to the room after being at the beach for a little bit. I can see to see what my friends have planned out for me. Oh, let's see. So yeah. Knock, knock. It's a weekend Shenanigans.
That's right. That's the birthday weekend. The Yesy. It's vlogging. It's recording. Go, Mooch. Miedo. But go, take yours, Yesy. Nicole, if you oh my God.
I want all of them. Mira Bad Bunny Jr. My skin is gleaming.
So Rose 1, Yesy 0. Completely blacked out in the beach, so I don't know how much vlogging I actually did or how long this vlog is gonna be, but yeah, I just got too lit to function. Ended up going back to the room and just passing out till like 10 o'clock at night. We didn't even go out. I bought an outfit for no reason. So yeah, it's Sunday morning. Well, oh yeah, Sunday morning still. It's 11. We just finished having breakfast, and so yeah, we're headed back home. So I'm back home already. I have a face mask on right now. It was one of my birthday presents from one of my really good friends, Evelyn. She gave me the Summer Fridays Overtime mask. It's like the exfoliating one. I had never tried any of these Summer Friday masks, but I heard they were so good. Like I know everybody loves like the jet lag mask or something like that, the blue one. And I actually got her, she was my Secret Santa for Christmas, and I got her the blue jet lag mask or whatever. But she was telling me about this one, that it's awesome for exfoliating, and I really wanted to like brighten my skin, so she ended up getting it for me for my birthday. And so far, like, I love the way it feels, so I'll let you guys know how it works. I'm sure I need to use it like way more than once, but yeah. So I decided to mask right now, but yeah, last clip I didn't even finish what I was saying because we were leaving the hotel and switching bags from cars to cars, so it was like a hot mess. But yeah, I don't even know how much I vlogged yesterday. It was just from like, I want to say like 5 o'clock on, it was just blackout. Like, I don't remember a thing until I woke up at like 9:45 at night in my pajamas in the room. Like, what happened? Like, yeah, apparently I was crying, I was taking shots, I don't know what I was doing. But yeah, rosé definitely, like, don't do rosé at the beach. Don't do rosé at the beach, and for sure do not mix it with vodka, because apparently I ended up doing shots of vodka and I don't even remember that. So I guess, like, was it even your birthday if you didn't black out? Like, I don't know. But it was a really fun weekend. I'm just super bummed that I didn't get to go out at night and use like the outfit that I bought and everything. So I guess I'll just use it for like my real birthday, or maybe part of it for my real birthday, which is on Wednesday. So yeah, I'm just going to relax, enjoy my face mask, and yeah, basically just chill the rest of the day, finish up some laundry. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy weekend shenanigans. I wish there was more. I wish I vlogged more, but I guess I was super in the moment and having a great time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.